What wretchedness? Why is life so this way? Why are some people born to be happy and jollified, while others are born to be sad? Some are born to cry, while some are born to feel good. It is very, very bad. You see, when I listened to this particular news, I thought it wise that I need to share it with my people. Oh yes, we need to watch it together. You need to see what is inside. It's very, very uncalled for. What I heard, I wept. Now, come to think of it, it's about this Southeast governor that launched Ebube Agu. Already we are having Eastern Security Network launched by the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And we also have the Amakute in Oduduwa region. Now, why is it that the Matiala, they are not afraid of Ebube Agu? Yes, that is what they said. They said Ebube Agu cannot stop us. That is, Ebube Agu cannot stop them from their operation. Ebube Agu cannot stop them for what they want to do. Likewise, Amakute. Okay, then I ask question. I say, very good, correct. That is a very quick one. Why did they not say Eastern Security Network cannot stop them? Because they know that Eastern Security Network is launched under a solid ground. The foundation of Eastern Security Network is so strong and is so authentic. That is just the reason, nothing more. Because for them to come out to boast that means there are a lot of things next to this establishment of Egungun Agbo, because they know that there is nothing they can do to them. If Matiala can boast that means questions should be asked about the Ebube Agu that was launched in the southeast of Nigeria. By their action, we've already know what is authentic and what is fake. Because you can't fake it. They've already said it out. They split it out. That Ebube Agu Amakute cannot stop them. Then who can stop them? Because they know that Ebube Agu, they are the ones that control Ebube Agu. They are the ones that give Ebube Agu instruction. They know their people and their people know them. But tell me, can they be so boast of that Eastern Security Network can't chase them away, or they are not afraid of Eastern Security Network? Why did they not say that? That is where I start asking myself some unusual question. Now I have the video here. Let us listen to what our fellow guys said, their opinion and what they think is going to help. Now,
for us, before my father gave up the last, he saw me and heaved the sign of relief. By implication, I do not understand it immediately. But as time progresses, I understood. He transferred the spirit of Biafra, of warlord, to me. So I am under a bound. Not if I will not support the cause of Biafra. It doesn't matter whatever it might cost me. Even though it means dying for Biafra, I will consider it a great honor. Okay. Biafra remains the way forward. The earlier Nigeria give way, the better for them.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chigozie. Thank you very much. Mr. Sunday, you have been hearing what people are saying. You have been hearing their comments on Mietiala, saying that Ebube Agu and Amotekun cannot stop them.
Yeah, because they know Ebube Agu and the Amotekun have been sponsored by the semi-Fulani people. Because you want to form a security that will defend your region. You are waiting for Abuja to sign you. Who are the people controlling Abuja? Are they not Mietiala? They know what they are saying. So for you manipulating, why can they not say that ESN cannot stop them?
They are not there.
You understand? They cannot say this because they know that ESN is not backed by the so fake state of Nigeria. You understand? ESN is volunteer youth that are ready to defend their land. You understand? That's those Mietiala, their statement they back it up with what? Assurance. Because the power controlling the whole Nigeria is the Miyetti Allah. Those are the only people that will kill people, that will come and say that they were responsible for the killing. No one person will be arrested. But innocent people will be arrested on the road, molested, because nothing. They have occupied everywhere. Look at the whole Oba, they enter in palace, kidnap, and the Yoruba people are there folding their hand. The Oduduwa people are there folding their hand. What about the Amatako? Because they know that they can't do anything. They have not given them full power to operate in anywhere.
What's the essence of the Amatako now?
And they are using it just to deceive you. Okay, when you come to government, the whole masses have to be very careful. They work in one voice. Forget that 1999 constitution. I always said it. That is what hold them together. And those governors, the whole 36 state governor, now that 1999 constitution will kill them. It will kill many of them. No be joke. That is the constitution that is causing problem for this country.
What is the way out, my brother?
Number one, if they cannot amend the constitution, let them divide Nigeria. Everybody go on your own, because we can't continue like this. How can who are the Miyetti Allah? Who know that we have never heard a voice? Just recently, when they take up arms, Buhari open border for them to come from Mali, from Chad, from Niger, to come and molest and rape our women, rape our children, and nobody want to talk. And the governor are there behaving like a madman. That the only one they are after is to collect allocation that will eat or use to feed their family. And people are dying every day. They are molesting people, killing, raping. Okay, yesterday night something happened here. A Yoruba man selling something here. If president passed during that night, all the whole Yoruba people, they are just passing, running. But any Hausa man that passed that moment, that see that is his brother, they come with army and Air Force. This place. When I was going home that night, I now see them. There was one of the army man. I have Android phone. Was saying that I will shoot Banshee to this woman. He was telling their people, where I want to buy shawarma there, I hear the voice. I say, I walk there. Only one man that is there want to buy rice. All of them, the food, the woman ran the woman there. If I did me, I did not go the other man there, even though I don't know when the man left. Because he's afraid. I stand there, if the woman come, you people ask. You understand? The people were afraid. But I told those people, I must tell the army, say, Oga, this man said they buy something. Is that why people want to kill him? Because the word you speak out, I think I hold that I will snap them. They will know that when we walk on the road, everybody have determined to defend our people. It's not only them that have people to defend themselves. Me as I am, anything, anytime, all die and die. If you die for trailer jam, you no be die. People wey sleep will no wake up, no be die. They get any type of die where you go die, where now go be special die. Okay? If we continue afraid of those monsters called Miyetti Allah, every day they will come out on the paper, on the news to threaten the whole Nigeria, as we are many and nobody will arrest them. They will kill people. They will come and tell the whole world that they were responsible and they are living in Abuja. They only send me to go and kill IPOB. They carry only flag. Those ones are being equipped by arms. They are crying. The defense people are crying that arms that are being ported to Nigeria. Which border are those arms coming through? Is it not the northern border? I mean, the border in this place this border here is not operating. The one operating now is where? The northern border. Where are the arms going? The arm cannot reach east. It cannot reach west. They have, because every day you hear that illegal arms are be entering Nigeria. Who ordered the illegal arms to enter? Who opened border for them? Where you have Ifeanyi man as a custom, you have Ifeanyi man as IG of police, you have Ifeanyi man as a chief of army staff, you have Ifeanyi man as a defense minister. Okay, what did they talk? You have Ifeanyi man as a president. The vice president, where be only Yoruba, where in the hear voice, they put the other carpet. They know what they are saying, because they have know that every power, everything to do is now in their power. Police cannot arrest them because they are the one controlling the police. Army cannot arrest them because they are the one controlling the army. DSS cannot arrest them because they are the one controlling every seat. Then you tell me they know what they are doing, and the same mad government we have in the west and the east are there stealing our money and killing the people because of what? Selfish interest. And every day those mad people will not know where they chop grass. Who be the Fulani? People where they chop grass, where they don't know where they come from. You know that before we hear outside Fulani, but now no outside Fulani again. Now the real Fulani, they come out with their real color because they have conquered the north. The north, the Hausa they have bring them down. They have taken over the north and they want to take over the east and south. Oga, ESN is waiting for you for Ebube Agu. Nobody will support Ebube Agu. The youth of the east did not support Ebube Agu. It's only the governor that is following 1999 constitution that support Ebube Agu. The Amataku, I don't know whether they are selling to Buhari. May you hold them. May they pack me and come they fight Amataku for them. They should be the one to fight vigilant. They will know that everybody will render their life to fight this battle. Those ones that are afraid, many people that are afraid to fight, that say they don't want to die, can you start war? Okay, how many? They know they fight war for that place. Syria till today, they are still fighting war there. Is everybody that die? What do they talk now? They don't fight war for this country, and everybody die. They won't go to they want to not fight war, hungry. They kill people. They will, all these people that media are killing, they will kill them with hungry.
Hey, that is all about this video. How do you see this video? Hope you honestly enjoyed the video. Please drop your opinion for me in the comment section. And if you know you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you then waiting for? Please do it to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you very much for always tuning in. Thank you for your maximum love and support. I remain grateful. I wish each and every one of you a blessed new week in Jesus' name. Amen. To you that is my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you. To you that always tune in whenever I drop the video, I remain grateful. What would I have done without you? You guys are the best. You guys are the reason why this channel is moving forward. You guys are the reason why I have the strength to upload any new update. You guys are the reason why this channel is booming. About today's upload, this video we just watched. What is your take on this video? Do you see the reason that ESN is a threat to the Nigerian government, or to the Nigerian soldier, or to the man Tiala to be precise? Do you really think that they are afraid of Ebube Agu, or they made up the Ebube Agu? Why is it that they are not scared? Why is it that they are sending threats or warning to Ebube Agu and Amekute? Why is it that they are not afraid of them? Then something gets into my mind. Why are they not calling Eastern Security Network? Why are they not sending them any message? This got me thinking. All right, my people, guess what? I know nothing, but I'm just saying it.